Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to take a look at RaceMaker VR. This game is still in development. It's an App Lab app available via the Oculus Store. So basically what it is, well, you create your tracks in virtual reality, of course, and you can drive them and compete against AI opponents in two different racing modes. You can actually put the area where you start the race and end the race. So as you can see here, I'm just using the item. I can also choose the height where I actually position them. I can change location around the table so I get better view. Although personally, because it's VR, what I want to do is just move around. In terms of controls, the controls are quite awkward. Definitely there's plenty of room for quality of life improvements when it comes to user experience. Even after I figured it out, it still felt a bit awkward. Even sometimes when I want to position something at the right place and I need to tap to release, usually my hand moves a bit and just switch the track a bit to the right or to the left. So although they're snapping, by the way, still it doesn't really work well. And again, moving around the table is just an awkward design. Definitely it shouldn't be like that. Free movement would be so much better. But this is something you can edit as an extra, but I just felt this is very awkward. Anyway, you can see here I'm just placing things. I can boast the different tracks. There are not many as of the time making this video, and you need to keep in mind that it's still in early access. But overall, I like the design, the simplicity, and how everything looks. And after I finish the track, I'm going to show you just a little bit of race. Keep in mind that I'm sick and I actually didn't spend a lot of time in this app. So I actually built a track which is not actually designed well, so I actually screwed up the race. But you're gonna get the idea, and of course you can do better yourself once you get the game. Keep in mind, the game is in Apple is free. You can download it for free via Oculus Store. So before we jump into a little race, I just want to show you me already understanding how to do things. As you can see, I can create things elevated upwards. If you can connect it, it's going to show you in red, outline in red. If you can place it, it's going to show you in green. You can rotate it using the left stick, by the way. So I change the height again using the left stick. And you can move it around by just moving the controller. Although personally, I prefer having the ability to actually use the up and down with the stick, forward and backwards, to actually move the tracks closer and further away from me. But it actually worked well because, again, depends on where you point. This is actually where the track will be placed, so it's actually worked well. Now keep in mind, you can't start playing. There's no default track you can actually start racing. You need to create your own track and then start playing. After you finished and you're happy with what you've done, you can actually save the track. Before actually saving, you can actually test it to see if it's working well, and you can give it a name, and you'll be racing the track you created. Again, there's no default track you can actually just start racing. Would be nice though to have some default tracks, but no. It's all about the track editor, creating your own tracks, racing tracks, and drive them against AI opponents. So again, I'm sorry for that. This was a very badly designed track, but you can see me just here. This is just me driving. It's a test lap, as you can see. And if you fall off, by the way, it's gonna reset. By the way, the racing, the controls were absolutely terrible in my opinion. I basically just use it with the trigger button and the joystick, left joystick. It absolutely just felt terrible. I just wanted to hold and rotate the wheel with the controllers to feel I'm actually just driving, you know, with the wheel, but it's not. It's actually made very bad in that aspect. So the driving is just bad. The controls of the driving, hopefully they will improve in the future with an update. Or at least give some options to players to decide how they want to play. This is, by the way, the AI, but again, I designed the track so bad that it actually just failed. Because we just finished the track the moment we started. But again, I told you, I didn't design the track well. So overall, it was a try, but definitely the game needs update. The premise is good, but again, definitely needs update to really become something really fun and accessible for most players. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.